Hi guys, follow us to do some unboxing of what we brought from Nigeria. So I brought this package from Nigeria for my son's birthday from DHL. So let us unbox it and know what we have here. Hey, look at the souvenir. Look at the souvenir that they did for my son. Hey, he saw it too. He liked it. Oh, look. Tata. Hey. Hey, look at him. He's happy. So, this is my zobo spice to make zobo. This is for my hibiscus flower to make zobo. So I have like I made like 15 pieces of book. Wow, she even added this my prayer book. Thank you, Jesus. My prayer book is finally here. So this is my son's souvenir for his birthday. You see? So I made this for his 2 years birthday. I made like 15 pieces in Nigeria and they shipped it. One of these is 40 pounds in this UK. One is 40 pounds. So I had to make this 15 pieces. So another thing that she brought. Oh no. She brought this shoe for my son for his birthday. Baba, look. Oh Jesus, he brought 24. This of 27. And they even bring hibiscus flower for me. And hair. Oh no. Baba, look. Supposed to bring 24. 25. But this one now. Very soon it go pass up. Oh no. My son has big leg. My son has big leg. Zion, we move. Zion, we move. Zion, we move. Aja Zion. They pack Zion stand for me. Zion, we move. Zion, we move. Now this week, let me check this week. How rush? So, better. Sorry. Zion, we move. So that is all for that. All they brought for us in Nigeria. Who is this? Tata. Who is this? Is that you? Guys, look. He's happy. Do you see his picture? Bata, aka Ezudo at 2. Ah! Do you see? So beautiful. So these are for my girls. The shoe is paining you. Hey, oh, the shoe is paining him. Oh, his leg is bigger than the shoe. You see? He's trying to remove his leg. You see? His leg is bigger than the shoe. He refused. Baba, wear it. He can't wear it. He has a long leg. You see? He's paining him. For the first time, my son is removing leg from shoe. You see? He's throwing it away. For the first time. He like wearing shoe. Is it painful? I love you, Papa. No, Papa. Anything for you, my son. Love you. Atu. Atu. Like that. So this is our book. Our souvenir.